Here's an easy tutorial for how to add or change photos in your family history project using your Ancestry data or images uploaded from your device. First, create a new project or open the project that you would like to edit. Once you've opened your project, you'll have access to all image editing tools. If you're working on a photo book, you'll want to click on this Edit button, which will take you to the editor. If you're working on a poster, you'll have edit access immediately. Your editing tools are in the left-hand toolbar. This demonstration will continue in the poster editor, but all of these tips and tricks will work in the book editor as well. To replace a photo using images and records from your Ancestry account, first select the image you'd like to replace on the page. You'll see a blue box around it. Then, select the Ancestry icon in the left toolbar. Find the photo or record you'd like to add and click it to insert your new image into the selected placeholder. If you'd like to search for a specific person's records and photos, use the Select Person button to search Ancestry records and photos for an individual. Here, I can access any records and photos that have been connected to Alexander Hamilton within this Ancestry account. To replace a photo with one from your computer or device, select the Photos icon in the left toolbar. Click the Upload Photo button and select Browse Files to upload images from your device. Select the image from your files and click Open to begin the upload. Here, you can see that my photo has been uploaded and can now be added to my project. Once you've uploaded the photo you want, select the image you'd like to replace in your project. You'll see a blue box around the photo you're wanting to replace. Then, click the Photos icon in the left toolbar. It might already be selected from your previous upload, so just click on the new photo you'd like to add. It will automatically insert to the correct place. If you'd like to add a totally new image that there is no placeholder for, simply find the photo you'd like to add by selecting either the Photos icon or the Ancestry icon. I'm going to use the Photos section. Simply click on the image you want to add, and it will automatically populate on your page. It will populate at a larger size, but you will easily be able to crop, resize, and move the image around.